Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, we'll talk about most trendy and most eye-catching topic, graphic design. So, graphic design आज से नहीं, हजारों साल पहले से एग्जिस्ट करता है। जब हम एंशियंट टाइम की बात करते हैं, तो आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि एंशियंट टाइम में लोग केव्स में सिंबल्स के थ्रू कम्युनिकेट करते थे विदाउट एनी टेक्स्ट, एनी लैंग्वेज। जब कोई लैंग्वेज एग्जिस्ट करती ही नहीं थी, तब हमारा जो ग्राफिक डिजाइन है वो एग्जिस्ट करता था। ग्राफिक डिजाइन सिर्फ मॉडर्नाइज हुआ है, कुछ न्यू नहीं है। बात करते हैं व्हाट इज ग्राफिक डिजाइन। वो ग्राफिक डिजाइन इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन। जब हम किसी इमेज, इलस्ट्रेशन या किसी भी ग्राफिक के थ्रू कम्युनिकेट करते हैं विदाउट एनी टेक्स्ट एंड ऑल, या किसी भी टेक्स्ट को एक अच्छे से डिजाइन फॉर्म में हम टाइप करते हैं या क्रिएट करते हैं, या उससे एक अच्छा जो टाइप फॉर्म है वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं। ग्राफिक डिजाइन के दो ही पर्पस है। एक, कि जो आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो डिजाइन वो विजुअली अपीलिंग हो। दूसरा, जो आप मैसेज कन्वे करना चाहते हो वो प्रॉपर कन्वे हो सके। एक फ्रेज है कि वन इमेज कैन स्पीक थाउजेंड्स ऑफ वर्ड्स।
Let's move ahead. There are many types of graphic design. So let's talk about first is visual identity, print identity design, print design, digital web design, typography design, illustration, motion graphics, animation, packaging design, UI, UX design.
The services present combo course of ग्राफिक डिजाइन प्लस यूएक्स डिजाइन। इस कोर्स में आपको ग्राफिक डिजाइन से रिलेटेड एंड यूआई यूएक्स से रिलेटेड जितनी भी थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट है एंड प्रैक्टिकल सॉफ्टवेयर्स है, उन सब की प्रॉपर नॉलेज प्रोवाइड की जाएगी। ग्राफिक डिजाइन में हम लोग कवर करेंगे आपके तीन सॉफ्टवेयर, फोटोशॉप, इलस्ट्रेटर एंड डिजाइन। एंड यूएक्स यूएक्स में हम आपका एक सॉफ्टवेयर कवर करेंगे जो अभी ट्रेंड में चल रहा है, फिग्मा। सो इस कोर्स में आपको बहुत सारे शॉर्टकट्स एंड जितनी भी एडिटिंग टेक्निक्स हैं वो सारी सिखाई जाएंगी। इस वीडियो के एंड में हम बात करेंगे कि क्या प्रोफेशनल स्कोप है एंड कितनी सैलरी आप अर्न कर सकते हो इस डिजाइनिंग फील्ड से।
So first is theoretical part. So we will cover introduction to graphic design, fundamentals of graphic design, principles of graphic design, color theory, typography, logo design, principles of logo design. And then we talk about practical. So which software will teach you in this course? Like, so first is Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, and Figma. Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign are graphic design softwares, and Figma is used for UI and UX. Okay, so let's move ahead. We will talk deep about all softwares. Like first, Adobe Photoshop. So starting from introduction to Photoshop, basic image editing, working with layers, color correction and adjustment, selection tools, retouching and healing, text and typography, filters and effects, working with brushes, image manipulation, shape tools, pen tool, adjustment layers, advanced layer styles, smart objects, masking techniques, output and export. Okay, so now Illustrator. So we will cover in this software introduction to Adobe Illustrator and vector graphics, because Adobe Illustrator is used for vector graphics and vector creation. So second point is workspace navigation and interface customization, basic selection, drawing and editing tools, image importing, tracing and editing techniques, shape creation, anchor point manipulation, and pen tool usage, color modes, swatches application, gradients, and patterns, text layer management, formatting, and text effects, layer management, grouping, and non destructive editing, free from drawing, brush tools, and artistic effects, scaling, rotating, live effects, and transformations. Perspective drawing, isometric perspective, and complex shapes. File saving, exporting, print preparation, and print settings, understanding. Logo design, poster design, and icon design projects. Creative text manipulation, typography effects, and text on part techniques. Advanced layer technique, blending modes, and layer mask. Custom shapes creation, symbol usage, and symbol libraries. Output and export. So now talk about Adobe InDesign. Introduction to Adobe InDesign and desktop publishing concepts. Understanding the workspace, layout, tools, and panels. Basic document setup, including page size, margins, and bleed. Text frame creations, text importing, and text formatting. Working with the styles of for text and objects, including paragraph and character styles. Placing and manipulating images, graphics, and other visual elements. Working with layers for organization and design flexibility. Master pages creation and application for consistent layout elements. Creating and formatting tables for data representation, interactive elements creation such as buttons and hyperlinks, pre-flighting documents for errors, and preparing for print or digital output. Designing for multiple devices and screen sizes with responsive layouts. Advanced typography features, including OpenType and typographic effects. Exporting documents in various formats such as PDF or print or web. Now we are talking about UX design. So in this topic we will cover introduction to UX design, principles and process, understanding user needs and goals, conducting user research, methods and techniques, creating user personas and scenarios, informating architecture, information architecture, organizing and structuring information, wireframing and prototyping tools and techniques, usability testing and user feedback collection. Interaction design, creating intuitive and responsive interfaces, visual design principles for effects, user experiences, accessibility design, ensuring inclusivity and compliance, designing for emotion, creating engaging user experiences, UX metrics and analytics, measuring user behavior and engagement. So next we are talking about Figma. So first we will cover introduction to Figma and its role in UX UI design workflows. Understanding the Figma interface, including canvases, frames, and layers, creating and managing design files, projects, and teams in Figma. Designing user flows and wireframes using Figma's vector tools. Collaborative design techniques, including real-time editing and commenting. Creating interactive prototypes with Figma's prototyping features, using components and libraries for design consistency and efficiency. Designing responsive layouts, designing responsive layouts for web and mobile interfaces. Integrating third-party plugins to extend Figma's functionality. Collaborating with developers using Figma's design hands-off features. Conducting usability testing and gathering feedback with Figma prototypes. So, like, portfolio building is a most important topic because you know how to use tools, but if you're going any job or you're doing freelancing, so how can you show that you are how much talented you are? So we will teach you how to make portfolio. What are the benefits of portfolio building? So it's first, showcase talent, display your skills and creativity effectively, skill refinement, practice and improve your design abilities, feedback loop, receive valuable critique to enhance your work, boost confidence, see your progress, building confidence along the way, track growth, document your journey from novice to a skilled designer. Stand out, make a memorable impression in job searches and pages. Networking attract opportunities and connection in the industry. Skill set enhancement, develop organization, presentation and branding powers.
सो बात करते हैं सैलरी पैकेज। तो सैलरी पैकेजेस डिफरेंट कंट्रीज एंड डिफरेंट लोकेशंस के बिहाफ पे आपको डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्री की आप कौन सी इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हो डिपेंड करता है कि आपको सैलरी पैकेज क्या प्रोवाइड होगा। तो आपकी सैलरी जो लेवल सैलरी होती है फ्रेशर्स सैलरी $8,000 टू $40,000 एंड सीनियर लेवल्स जो सैलरी होती है वो आपको प्रोवाइड होती है $50,000 टू $100,000 एनुअली। एंड बात करें हम फ्रीलांसर अर्निंग की, तो जो करेंटली जो चार्ज मार्केट प्राइस है, जो फ्रीलांसर्स चार्ज करते हैं, उनका जो प्राइस होता है वो $20 टू $150 प्लस पर 1 आवर होता है। सो दिस इज द मोस्ट अर्निंग फील्ड। You can earn as much as you can, but I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching everyone.